Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new, and also Happy New Year. Happy 2020. All the best to all of you for the new year. I hope it will be fabulous. So yeah, in this video I am going to unbox, swatch, review the December collection of Madam Glam from last year, of course, which is called Ho Holo collection. So yeah, I really love the name. For some reason, like, this was sent out to me in time, but it took about like 3, almost 4 weeks before I got it in. I don't know what happened. I contacted like DHL, the delivery guys and everything, and it was like lost for a couple of weeks. So yeah, that happened. But in the meantime, it was actually kind of like a positive thing that it took really long for them to come in, because these gel polishes sold out like crazy. At the moment now I'm recording this voiceover, it is the 29th of December, so it's still 2019. But they're still sold out. But Madam Glam has already confirmed to me that they will be bringing them back in stock this month in January, so just keep an eye out for them if you're interested. And yeah, I'm just going to swatch them all as usual. Just use one of my swatch sticks and apply the non-wipe top coat to seal it all in. I am so excited for these. I'm like over the moon because I love my glitter, I love my holographic stuff, and yeah, I have actually already worn one of these colors, and I'm just going to swatch them all for you and be really excited this entire video. So this first color, oh, it's just gorgeous. It's called Let It Snow. It is a beautiful like dark gunmetal, almost black kind of base. It is packed with holographic, just linear glitter in there. It is so beautiful. Like, all of these polishes have the same kind of holographic shimmer, shine, glow, however you want to call it. It is just gorgeous. They only need 2 layers to be completely opaque, and you all have to cure the layers, or at least it doesn't matter how many layers you apply, of course, but each layer has to be cured for 30 seconds. So you can actually work pretty quickly with those and spend more of your precious time on other things. So yeah, this first one here, I'm just applying the second coat. It's so beautiful. I think this is one of my favorites. To be honest, it is really hard to just pick one favorite from this collection, and I have to mention that all of the colors pretty much are my favorites because they're all holographic. What's not to love about them? But yeah, I'm just really like excited for this one because you can combine this color with so many different designs and other colors. So yeah, another one which is very much easy to use in a lot of different designs is this second color. This one is called Sugar Cookie. It is just straight on a silver linear holographic color. It is gorgeous. And again, I'd say on natural nails this one might need a third thin coat. It pretty much depends on how thick of a coat you apply. On my natural nails, like personally, I would always go for 3 thin layers of this one, but on the swatch stick it was pretty much opaque with just 2 layers. And even though cameras sometimes kind of mess up how holographic polishes are or other stuff, you can definitely see the beautiful rainbow colors on these, but then again, in real life it is way more holographic than the camera actually shows, so keep that in mind. They are a whole lot more hollow than you think. The third color is called Hollow Night. All of the names are kind of like Christmassy. That's because this collection came out in December, so it actually is like the holiday collection. But yeah, you can just wear these all year long, in my opinion. I think holographic nails are never out of style, and you can combine them any time of year. I think it is quite festive, especially this color, which is more of like a champagne-y gold kind of linear holographic color. Oh, it's so gorgeous. But then again, you can combine these polishes in so many designs with so many other colors. I actually used the pink color Naughty Me from this collection in a Barbie design, which you have already seen like sneak peeks of in previous videos. But that design video will be up pretty soon, I promise. I think it will be up next week or somewhere next week. I'm not sure what day I have it scheduled for. But this next color is called Sticky Toffee. It is a beautiful, kind of like an orangey, rusty kind of holographic like polish. You can see it just right here. It is kind of like an orangey, burnt orangey. It's not like bright orange. It's not like Go Holland orange, if you know what I mean. But it is a really nice color. Again, you can combine this with so many other like brown colors or different orange tones to make it really like fall-like if you want to. Of course, it's not fall anymore at the moment, but I pretty much love colors like these, and just combine it maybe even with a yellow. I think it would look pretty cute with like a bright yellow as well. But yeah, that was that color already. 2 layers, it is completely opaque, and just the holographicness is all over the place in this entire collection. Just look at the bottles, like those are so holographic, it's insane. But this next color I'm going to swatch is called Candy Cane. It is kind of like a pinkish kind of color. Like, these are quite hard to describe because I do know that there is more of like a brighter pink and a little bit of a lighter pink in this collection. I'd say this is like a red with a little bit of pink in there, or at least I think it's going a little bit towards a red. It's not as bright red as the red that I was wearing on my right hand when I recorded this video, which is also online, by the way. It was my 6th Winter Nail Art Week design, so if you want to check that one out, or maybe even the other colors from my Winter Nail Art Week, you are more than welcome to do so. They will be up like forever. I'm not taking them down or anything, but you can just look them up in my Winter Nail Art Week playlist if you want to. But this color is quite nice. It is not as bright or in your face as the next colors I'm going to show you, which is the next one actually, is called Sprinkles. This one is also a little bit more towards the pinkish side, a little bit more bright compared to Candy Cane. In the end, I will just hold all of these swatch colors up like together next to each other so you can actually see the difference, because I can totally understand that you feel like when you're watching this swatch being applied on that like nail tip or swatch tip, it is kind of similar to the previous one, but I feel like this one is a little bit more in your face, a little bit more bright, and it is a little bit more reddish. I don't know, reddish pink? I don't know. As I said, I find these colors a little bit hard to describe because they can look pretty similar, but in the end of this video I will just hold them up together and you can see the differences. So yeah, that one was Sprinkles. I really love that name. I think it's really cute, and again, so holographic. It is gorgeous. It's just such a shame that my camera, or a lot of different cameras, actually don't show you the holographicness like it is in real life. But just trust me, I will definitely share some photos on my Instagram as well, showing you how they actually look. I hope my camera will capture the holographicness better in like photo compared to video. But yeah, I was already swatching one of my favorite colors from this collection. You guys know me, I love my pinks, I love my sprinkles, sparkles, I love my glitter. This one is a beautiful Barbie pink color. It's just beautiful. I don't know, I just love my pinks, and yeah, it's just gorgeous. This is the color I actually used in the Barbie design you've had a little sneak peek of in previous videos as well, and it's just gorgeous. I needed about 2 layers, I think, to make it completely opaque on my nails. I do have to mention that the darker colors from this collection only need 2 layers, and the lighter ones I would go for 3 thin coats to make it completely opaque. But of course you can also apply these on top of another colored gel polish if you want to. Then this next color is called Ho Holo. It is so beautiful. I am pretty much into purples as well. I love to wear purples, and this is just a beautiful, like, rich purple color. I know a lot of you out there actually love colors like these. This is just beautiful. I actually have like a regular nail polish that is pretty much similar to this medium purple holographic color, which is by Tease. I'm not sure, it's like a really old polish, like 8 or 9 years old already or something. It's pretty old, but I'm not sure if it is still available. But then again, I do know that Color Club has a holographic collection as well. Unfortunately, that's not really available here in the Netherlands, but maybe you can get them online somewhere, maybe Amazon or eBay or something. But I know that there are similar colors like this one in regular nail polish forms as well. So do check it out, just Google a little bit and I'm sure you will find something similar. Then this next one is called Frosty. Again, I have a Tease polish in like the exact same color, but it is a regular nail polish. This is just a beautiful frosty icy blue. It's more towards a light blue than a medium or darker blue in my opinion. It's just a gorgeous icy sky blue color. Let's just put it to that. And of course there is like a ton of holographic shimmer in there. It is just really beautiful. And you can really intensify the blue color by adding that second layer, as you can see me do right here. It is way more intense with that second coat. So I would definitely suggest, if you want a lot of color payoff, to just go for 2 coats. But then again, if you put this on top of like a beautiful matching blue color, you will only need 1 coat. But also, then again, if you want a lot of that holographicness, just apply a second layer. Then the last color from this collection already is called Mistletoe. It is a beautiful Christmassy green, like a forest green in my opinion. It's not too dark either, but then again, I really love this color, even though I'm not a big green fan. I do think this is a lovely color. You can use in nail art a lot as well if you just want like some plant kind of, I don't know, just something foresty, something plant like. If you like maybe cactus nail art or something, I think this would be a really lovely color to actually use in something like that. And yeah, I just really love it. Again, completely opaque in just 2 thin layers, and I'm pretty much obsessed. Like, I don't even like green, like personally, it's just not for me really, but this color is really, really beautiful. And I think it will look really beautiful combined with that purple color. There's something with like green and purple that I really love together. But here you can see all of the colors. As you can see, Candy Cane and let me check, I think it was Sprinkles. They are a little bit similar, but Sprinkle is more of like a darker reddish kind of tone. Yeah, you can just see it for yourself and just interpret it the way you want to. I know that everyone sees colors differently, and the way I sometimes describe colors might not be the way you see them. But yeah, this was already my entire review and swatch video. Let me know what you think. Which color is your favorite? I'm really curious to hear about that. Of course, you can use my discount code femketje30 for a 30% discount. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.